Choose the cut of chicken. Chicken can be cooked as a whole, cut into pieces, or deboned. Different cuts require different cooking times and methods. Prepare the chicken. Before cooking, rinse the chicken with water and pat it dry with paper towels. You can also marinate the chicken in your favorite seasonings or spices to enhance the flavor. Decide on a cooking method. Some popular methods for cooking chicken include baking, grilling, frying, and boiling. Baking. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the chicken on a baking sheet or in a baking dish and bake for 20 to 30 minutes per pound until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Grilling. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat. Season the chicken with salt and pepper, then grill for 6 to 8 minutes per side until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Frying. Heat oil in a deep skillet or pot until it reaches 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Dip the chicken in beaten egg, then coat with seasoned flour. Fry the chicken for 8 to 10 minutes until golden brown and cooked through. Boiling. Place the chicken in a pot with enough water to cover it. Bring the water to a boil, then reduce heat to low and simmer for 20 to 30 minutes until the chicken is cooked through. Check the internal temperature. Use a meat thermometer to ensure the chicken has reached a safe internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Rest the chicken. Let the chicken rest for a few minutes before serving. This allows the juices to redistribute and keeps the meat moist. These are just general guidelines for cooking chicken. It's always important to follow safe cooking practices and to check for doneness before serving.